Okay, so here's my Santa Cruz Bronson bike check. Before I get into this is our new channel. Me and a person behind filming, we started it, and basically this channel is focused on mountain biking. And I mean, we just thought of doing a bike check. Okay, so here's my brand, Bronson CR, full carbon frame. It has Shimano XTs and Shimano XTs gear shifting. It has a Fox float, rear suspension, rock shocks in the front. They're both air. It's a 150 millimeter travel fork. I don't know. I need to get new pedals. Oh my god, because I picked this thing up like a week ago. We got Maxxis tires, and then we are gonna be making. This channel is all about like mountain biking. We're gonna be doing a bike check of Jack, which is behind the camera, and then I have a race coming up on June 25th. It's like my first enduro race, because I used to race cross country. I started enduro this year. So yeah, there's 3 stages to the race, and I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. I'm gonna be competing in it. Jack won't, but he will eventually. Someday he will start competing in it. I'm saving up to get a dropper seat post, because those are important. And then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get a dropper seat post, carbon spacers, and then maybe new grips. I don't know. I'll think so. 2x11 drive. Okay, so it's a 2x drivetrain, 11 in the back. I don't know. It's a nice bike. I've been enjoying it. It's a full carbon frame, pretty light. It's around 26 pounds, and yeah.